Then we have ma, ma. Ma is pronounced like the English word ma, meaning mother. In other words, it sounds like ma in Mark. How to remember ma? Removing your head, doubling your hands and arms. What sort of evil magic is this? What makes it weirder is that your mama is the one doing this magic. Imagine your ma looking like this. Ah. So 3 strokes, left to right again, top to bottom with a little loop. Ma, mi. It's pronounced like the English word mi. In other words, it sounds like me in meat. Looks like lucky number 21. Who just hit the blackjack? Me. Who just turned 21 as well? Me. Listen to me singing my own birthday song. Me, 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 me. Me. 2 strokes. 1, 2. Mu. Moo is pronounced like what cows say in English. Moo. In other words, it sounds like moo in mood. Moo. Moo, says the cow. Moo. 3 strokes. 1, 2 with a little loop, and 3. Me. Me is pronounced like me in mess. Look at that beautiful eye. It's so beautiful because of the makeup on it. Gotta look pretty in the eyes or else your ensemble will just be meh. Me. Top to bottom, and a big swirl that looks like no, except for the fact that you have to start from a bit higher. Mo. Mo is pronounced like mo in more. You want to catch more fish, so you add more worms to your hook. So here is the hook with 2 worms. 3 strokes, the big hook, and the 2 worms. 1, 2 from left to right. Let's practice. Mae. Mae. Mae means forward. Mae. Mimi. Mimi means ear. Mimi. Then we have mushi. Mushi. We're not gonna say what it means in German, but it could help you remember this word. But in Japanese, it means a bug. Mushi. Mushi. Me. Me means eye. We saw that already. Me. Momo. Momo means peach. Momo. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments. And don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. それではまた。